Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016
Buick Envision.
This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.